What's up, online shoppers? I've got my favorite kitchen spoon rest with me, and I want to tell you all about this. This is the Zulay Kitchen silicone utensil rest, and I think it's awesome. Now, Zulay gifted me this for the purpose of doing reviews, and I just want to share with you all the things I've learned about it after I've used it for a little while. This is pretty cool. It's made of silicone, heat resistant, stain resistant, super easy to clean, and it comes in 16 different colors and 2 different sizes. So you can actually find a spoon rest or a utensil rest that's gonna match your kitchen, which I think is really cool. Now, I picked this ivory color because I thought it coordinated really well with my countertops, and I like how low-key and clean it looks. I also like that I can see if it's dirty and I can just wipe it up really quick. These are super easy to clean. You can toss these in the dishwasher or you can wash them by hand. They don't stain, wash up like a dream. That's another thing that I really like about this. Now, these are designed so that this section here is a catch basin for all the drips off of your utensils. So when you put this down on the counter, and I'm gonna demonstrate with a wide variety of different utensils to show you that it works with just about everything. So I have this beater here. Now, it doesn't fit inside the slots, but it does rest inside the slots so that it prevents it from like tumbling off. And you can get it so that all of the drip is gonna be concentrated right here on this little catch dish. I like that. It also works really well with tongs. So you can see that it has these little finger spaces here, these grooves, and you can actually put your tongs right inside and they fit really nice. I love that the full width of the tong is caught right on this little catch basin, and I love that it keeps it nice and secure. It's not going to pop up or do anything like that. Now, larger items like this spoon also fit on here pretty well. They just have to rest on the edges like I showed you. And again, the drips are gonna be caught here. And it also works really well for little items like this that actually slip right inside the grooves and hold them. You can get more than one kind of utensil on here just based on the design of this, and I think that that's really cool. With this utensil rest, you have tons of space to park your utensils, and they're easy to grab, and when you put them back, they're not tumbling off and rolling all over the countertop, which I think is another plus with this really cool product. I love that they have lots of color choices. I love that it's easy to clean. I love that if I accidentally push it too close to the stove, it's actually heat resistant to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not going to discolor or catch on fire. I don't have to worry about those safety risks. This is a really awesome product. I am super happy with it. I know that it was a gift to start off with, but it has definitely become an essential in my kitchen, and it has definitely become a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.